Yo, what's up, YouTube? How to order wire checks online easily. So, yeah, I know uh, everyone wants to know how to send wire checks, online to your clients, basically probably to your address, for different reasons. So, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you basically go to this website, checksnextday.com, checksnextday.com. Yeah, that's the website. So, yeah, you can basically do all of that from there. Like, if you have an issue sending out wire checks, you pay dispatches, they don't deliver. Any other issue, basically, you're trying to get checks to your address. This website help you figure out. So you can see, I already set everything up. So I just basically, I'm gonna go basically like a rundown on this video, going backwards. So you know what I'm saying, so on this website, you want to create an account. Basically, you create your account with your personal account information or the drop which you got, you know what I'm saying. So and then you register, you log in, and then you want to go to computer checks. Okay, and then you go for three on the page, select three on the page. Yeah, so cause you want to keep a copy, customer copy, and the copy you send an ATM, you know what I'm saying. So like you can customize the check color, so I'm using Chase Bank in this case, so I made it blue because that fits for Chase Bank. You need to be very, very careful when sending out these checks. You need to know what they look like, the real checks. Um, so yeah, you put in your routing account info in those boxes, and then the name of the bank, obviously, and then the bank client. You definitely want to check the bold for the name of the bank so it appears bold, as you can see in my preview. Yeah, so basically you want to continue from there. Just follow the instructions you see on the screen. This website is real good, and then they deliver next day. That's what's great. So I can see the reviews. Okay, the reviews are really positive for real. You won't send out white checks. So yeah, that's how to do it. So yeah, so you want to put in check number. Um, Make sure check number is at least like 6, 7 digits. You know what I'm saying? So very important. And then yeah, so you could probably could add an extra signature line. You want to put you would like use two signatures, but not it's not necessary anyway. And then you want to go to the alignment and probably send to that for the company information, makes that look more professional. And then you get to the option of uploading the logo. So I did upload the logo. You can see the logo at the top left corner. You can make yours bigger. I just made that small anyway. Make it bigger. You upload the logo. Yes. So and then yeah, you want to save changes because I cannot change the check number. And then you definitely want to select an option to add the signature. Okay, the signature is really important because that's like an endorsement on your check. And then I want to emphasize about the signature. You need to really take time to put the signature. Your signature needs to match that from your spam check. It needs to look professional at least. Okay, get a pretty good design out of it. You want to get real good signatures. DM me, okay? So I uploaded a signature. You can see I just put it in mine. They're gonna have to stamp this on your check while sending it to the address. Okay, so they just basically need to put the amounts and endorse it on the back. You know what I'm saying, and then cash out. So now you want to check out on the site, and then this way it goes where you want to ship the check to the shipping address, which by default would be the address you put in, which is your address. But you don't want to use your address. You can add a new address, which is the address which you want to send the check to, client address. But this normally is supposed to be for your personal address. Okay, this is strictly for educational purposes. So so you get your payment options, and you're gonna have to pay with your credit card or PayPal. So if you're gonna use credit card, it's either gonna match the your default shipping address, or you're gonna have to add in your address that matches the credit card address, and it goes through because this definitely to the website. Payment will go through. The check should be most likely sent next day, but remember to use real bank logs. Real bank logs, very very important. So they get authorized and the checks will be sent out. So that's how I basically deal with like wire checks. See, so yeah, so you just click continue and you want to like place the order. So you see it's gonna cost you 165. Yeah, that like other wire checks online. So it's not free. So I ain't putting no credit card information because I ain't trying to like violate any guidelines and I ain't trying to reveal any personal information. Normally this is how I do my thing, okay? So place your order, definitely gonna go through, okay? And then you're gonna see right at the top how much longer it's gonna take for a check to arrive. And you can even track it. You get tracking and even more. So like try this website. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, share my videos, and this is how you do it basically. I hope you enjoyed the video. So stay tuned for more content.